Good morning and welcome to Full Circle Ozarks.
Hello folks, and welcome back to Full Circle Ozarks. This turned out to be a rather windy day, so rather than having y'all listen to all the wind blowing, you can see the trees blowing in the background. I just thought I would go ahead and start with the smallest of the three logs that I had brought out there. Now this one here, it had a few knots on it, and so I thought I would take time to saw some of these knots off. And I believe there's going to be three of them. So we're going to get these knots sawed off. I think it's going to help us a whole lot as we get ready to put this on the mill and get it milled up. I'm still hoping I can get a 6x6 post out of this. And this area right here in front of the sawmill, even though the camera doesn't do good justice, it is just a little bit of a hill there. So if I were to just let this log down, it probably would roll down toward the mill. So what I'm getting ready to do is I saw this knot off the back. You can see that hang there. And here in a moment you'll see where I end up using one of these knots that I sawed off. I'm going to use that to keep the log from rolling. So hopefully that will help. But I have one more knot yet that has to be taken off. As I said a moment ago, you can look and you can see the cedar limbs there just blowing back and forth. So it was a pretty windy day, and we've had several of these days lately. Here's where I want to take a moment and put one of those knots there, so when I get ready to release the grapple so I can get that other knot, I didn't want the log to roll down the hill. So the knot that I'm getting ready to saw off, it's not that big of a knot, but there is a little bit of a bowl that I will address a little bit later, but in this log, and I want to get all of the knots off that would help, or excuse me, that would prevent me turning the log to maximize the cut. Again, the goal here is to be able to get a 6x6 log out of this. Well, this log that I'm getting ready to put on now, I've trimmed the knots off of it. This is the smallest of the three logs. Thought I'd go ahead and get it milled up. So we're going to set it on there and get it started. Well, that wasn't too bad at all. We got it set up there. I'll go ahead and kind of get it positioned so I can make sure I maximize the cut. You'll see a pretty good bowl in it right here. So I've got to accommodate that. But I think I can get a 6x6 out of it. So. As you can tell from all the sawdust flying, the wind is really whipping. So I've got sawdust going all up in my face and my nose, so it's quite aggravating. But I've got something ordered that I think is going to help solve this, but it's a special face mask. So I'm hoping by the time I saw the next log, it should be delivered. In the meantime, I'm going to push on through and we're going to get this log sawed. That's looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna flip it over and we'll make the final cuts. I may get another board on the top. I'll see when I flip it over. Well, folks, I wanted to take a moment to show you this red oak log now, or the post that I got out of it. That is some nice wood. It really is. And you can see a few little marks in here, hopefully. The set's getting off of my blade, so it's about time to probably sharpen some blades. I at least got to change that one I have there before I saw anymore. So I just wanted to take a moment and show you this. This is, like I say, this is some red oak, and it's making some nice posts. But I think this is also a good time to end this video. I've got one more log to saw up, and you saw me throwing a few slabs and boards over there. Several of those will make 2x4s and 2x6s that are offcuts from this, and so I'll have those offcuts to saw up here in the days ahead. But anyway, I just wanted to say again, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch our videos. It means a lot to us, and I hope you enjoy this content. And again, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And in order to get notified, also click the notification bell, and that way you'll get notified. For those that are new to the channel, I post a new video every Thursday. So if you click that notification bell, you'll be sure to get notified once that is published. And again, thanks so much for watching the channel. It means a lot to us. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you again on the next Full Circle Ozarks.